Okay, good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 30th. I'm going to show you how to get into everything today. So today's goal is we're going to get the gizmo done. And here is your gizmo. So this is the weathering gizmo day one. The worksheet for day one is right here. So if you click on it and then save it, open it up. Do, 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 do. Yeah, here it comes. This is the worksheet that you'll see for day one. Okay. In order to answer the questions, though, you need to go to the website. So you're going to find the website right here, explorelearning.com. So if you click on explorelearning.com, you're going to log in. The login is Unami, and the password is Gizmo Gizmo. Okay, and that's written right here. Then you're going to look, once you're logged in, you're going to do a search for Find Gizmos, which is right up here. And you'll put in weathering and then click on it and then launch Gizmo. Okay, so that's how to get to your Gizmo. All right, make sure that you have two screens open at the same time so that while you're doing your simulations, you can work on your worksheet. If you need a reminder for how to open two screens at the same time, you can find that under, let's see, you can find that if you go to Bell, Schedule, District Calendar, Warm Up, Template. Here's two screens open at once. So that'll bring you to a video of how to open two screens open at once. Most of you are probably familiar with that, but just in case, watch this video and it'll tell you how to open two screens at once. I also put it here for today's directions, I'm sorry, Tuesday's directions, and we'll be going over that. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And other than that, have an amazing day. Okay, I don't know how to turn this thing off. I can't find the thing to turn it off. Oh my gosh, here we go.